Okay, we're recording now. Jellies, the life of jellyfish.
I like eating jelly.
You do? This is a different kind of jelly though. This is a jellyfish. Okay? Alright, let's read about jellyfish. I will ask you some questions. So everybody turn to this page, 294, 295. Okay. The mangrove jellyfish and an unnamed jellyfish.
Teacher, I think this is strong jellyfish.
It's probably very strong. Yeah. Okay.
Teacher, this is Harabon jellyfish, and this is a scale jellyfish, and this is a
That's one.
fat jellyfish.
That's one big jellyfish.
Teacher, this is
Okay.
This is low like this. This power is low like this. This power.
I don't know. I don't know if it's that powerful. I don't know. Probably.
Teacher, I have a question. This is a very dangerous.
That one is dangerous. Yes.
Why?
Because it says so in the story. Okay. Its sting is very powerful. Okay, Rachel, why don't you begin? Mangrove jellyfish.
Mangrove jellyfish. If you were a jellyfish, you would have two choices: to go up or to go down. That is true. You would not have a brain, so you could not decide what to have
Breakfast.
or where to go for lunch.
Very good. Okay, can you keep going? Read an unnamed jellyfish. So we don't have a name for this one.
Unnamed jellyfish. The ocean
Currents.
current would carry you along from place to place.
In this way.
In this way, you could travel hundreds of millions
Of miles.
of miles. Food might pass by you and get
Caught.
caught in your tentacles or not.
Okay. All right. Let me ask you a few questions about that. So I'll ask everybody. Do jellyfish have brains?
No!
No, they don't, right? So can they decide, this morning I'm going to have some tuna for breakfast?
No.
No, they can't do that. They just kind of float around, right? Now, how do they move? How do jellyfish move? Well,
Up and down.
up and down, okay?
Sometimes the water takes and it goes.
That's right, that's right. Do you know what we call that when the water takes you away?
Wave.
A wave, yes. A wave is
Like
caused, by a current. A current, we call it a current, okay? It's like a wave, that's right.
Teacher,
Okay.
I hear in the TV,
Mhm.
a dive jellyfish and the
A jellyfish
touch
died.
and touching the
Okay, a person
a person touching died.
and died, really?
Or and here or small, not powerful jellyfish and the water,
Hmm.
a seawater and
Really?
seawater and sea.
Okay.
Seawater and
Well,
That's fine.
jellyfish can be very dangerous because their sting can hurt a lot, yeah. So, okay, I didn't hear that story.
but
Let-
I
let-
hear it in the
what-
TV.
On the TV? What are the long arms? They're not arms. What do we call them on a
Tentacle.
Tentacles, that's right. We call them tentacles, right? And we talked about another animal that has tentacles. Do you remember?
Octopus.
Octopus has tentacles, that's right. Okay, let's turn the page.
Wait.
David, can you read? Rhizostome jellyfish and the comb jellyfish.
Freezing cold jellyfish. Sea turns the dolphins and whales. Their food tries to eat you. You wouldn't worry about it because you couldn't
You would just...
Look or
Okay, cone jellyfish.
You would protect yourself with millions of testicles.
No, tiny,
Tiny
mechanical
mechanical
cells.
cells that when touched by other animal rights
Release
release of heat,
a chemical
chemicals, and sting
sting.
like a bow and arrow. You would not know if you were stinging a friend or enemy.
An enemy.
You would not even know what a friend or an enemy was.
Okay. We talked about enemy, no? Enemy? We didn't? Well, you know, everybody knows what a friend is, right?
Teacher, I think enemy is the friend, but he or she is like bad.
That's right. It's the opposite of friend. An enemy is usually somebody that does not like you and wants to hurt you or do something bad.
Friend go there and enemy cheese.
That's right. That's right. Chemical?
Yeah.
Chemical is something that is in many things in our bodies, in animals' bodies, in plants, and they are things that can help you sometimes or they can hurt you. Okay? They can make things happen in your body. Okay? What's that?
R-E-L-E-A-S-E.
Release,
Yeah.
it means to put out. Okay? So,
Look like we eat dog.
do you remember when we talked about, remember when we read the book Snakes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now remember the snake has poison that comes out of its mouth, remember, or out of its teeth,
Yes.
out of its fangs? That's right, we called it venom, remember? That has a chemical.
Venom is a poison.
That's right. And a poison has a chemical in it that is very dangerous for our bodies. Okay? And we can, yeah, or get very, very sick. And when that happens, the chemical goes into our body and it's not good, it's not healthy. And that's why we get sick. Okay? And that's what chemicals do. Now there are some good chemicals too. Okay?
Sure.
And in fact, medicine, when you go to the doctor and get medicine have chemicals inside. Okay?
Teacher.
And those are good chemicals for our bodies.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is N-E-S-H-A-N-I-C-A-L?
N-E-S, where is that?
M-E-C.
Oh, mechanical, M-E-C-A. Mechanical means that it needs many parts to work. So there are many, machine? Well, machines are mechanical because they have many parts. That clock on the wall, my watch, for example, or a computer has many different parts. Your mommy and daddy's car have many different parts, and they work together to do something.
Teacher, teacher, you said also we can switch to the different. I think that.
That's chemical, not mechanical. That's different.
No, you said we can. The girls don't like that.
Okay.
The boy is a yo. Boy is a yo.
Okay. I'm not sure, but boys and girls, let's get back to reading, okay? David? Okay, I'll answer some questions after we're done recording, okay? Can we turn the page? 298, 299. Okay, Edwin.
Jellyfish sting for
Protection.
and to such food that all they don't hunt and they can't choose. They just
Bump.
bump and sing, bump and
Sting.
Sting.
Okay.
Orange fox jellyfish.
Australian.
Australian
Fox.
fox jellyfish. Some jellyfish sting
Gently.
gently. Some jellyfish have a sting of powerful that they are more dangerous than other. These are the
Australian.
Australian fox jellyfish.
Okay, very good. Okay, why, sting, right? What other animal stings?
Cobra.
Cobra. They bite, but it's like a sting, yes, okay.
Mosquito.
Mosquitoes sting. Many bees, many insects will sting. Yes?
Spider.
Spiders can sting, yes. Which one?
Maybe Spider-Man.
Okay, boys and girls, when an insect or an animal stings you, when a jellyfish stings you, what is it doing? Why is it doing
Because
that?
it is angry.
It's angry, and what is it trying to do?
They want to eat.
They want to eat. They're hungry. They need food, so they use their stingers to do that.
Blood.
And what else do they do?
Protect their body.
That's right. They do it to protect
Teacher,
themselves.
I know two things.
Yeah.
Tongi.
Electric eel, you're thinking of?
Electricity.
Yeah.
Electricity.
Yeah, electricity. Yeah. Some animals have electricity. Yeah. Okay. All right, boys and girls, let's get back to reading. We still have Lucy and May to read. So how about May? Okay. Thimble jellyfish.
Jellyfish are so simple that they look like plastic threads floating in the sea. When an animal gets a jellyfish, it stays healthy and strong. When an animal is plastic, it gets weaker and eventually dies.
Okay, upside down jellyfish. Can you read that for us?
Upside down jellyfish. Some jellyfish lie on the shallow bottom in clear warm seas and grow their
Own food.
own food. These are called upside down jellyfish. Once they have bigger, more bits of
Algae.
algae, just once they can grow more inside their body by sitting in the sun. They are their own greenhouse and the growth they're all wrapped up in the
Okay. In one. Good. Excellent. Okay, so we talked about algae. Do you remember what algae is?
Algae is like algae.
So one more. Say that. Okay, May 1st. What did you say?
The puppy.
No. Oh, allergy? No. Allergy is different. This is called algae.
Oh,
Algae is like, okay, what were you going to say, Rachel?
water.
Algae is like, they're kind of like plants in the sea, in the water. Okay, they're usually green. Okay, and many animals will eat them because they're very healthy. Okay. Now,
Can we eat it?
can we eat algae? That's a good question. I'm not sure if maybe seaweed is a form of algae, maybe.
It's a jellyfish
Probably.
upside down.
Hmm?
Teacher, we can eat upside down jellyfish.
Well, I'm not sure if we would want to eat a jellyfish.
I ate corn. Teacher,
Huh?
we said this jellyfish
Mhm.
is fat.
It's fat. Okay. All right, one more person to read, and that's Lucy. All right, boys, listen, David. Okay, Lucy, can you read about the Portuguese man of war? Lucy, yeah. Portuguese. Okay, read about the moon jellyfish. Almost. A little protein. Wash up. Okay, very good. All right. The Portuguese man of war, you see a picture of it there. Is it a jellyfish? Is this a jellyfish? No, it's not.
No.
Why is it not a jellyfish?
Because inside there is no water, there is air balloon.
That's right. And what, yes? Boys, what do jellyfish have inside the bell-shaped, I guess we can call it head, although it's not really a head. Well, what's in, the bell-shaped, okay, top of a, what is inside of that? Water. It's mostly, a jellyfish is mostly water and a little protein.
Air.
No, this one is air. If it has air,